press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Friends, of late we have got a lot of requests on our channel to prepare a list of high dividend paying stocks, and this is the reason why we are going ahead and preparing this video today. Now, what is dividend yield? Now, dividend yield is a financial ratio that measures the quantum of cash dividends paid out to shareholders relative to the market value per share. It is computed by dividing the dividend per share by the market price per share and multiplying the result by 100. So, for example, if you have a share which is trading at rupees 100 and the company pays out 5 rupees per year, then effectively the dividend yield for that company will be 5%. Please watch this video to know our list of the top 5 dividend paying stocks. Now, there have been some exclusions. We have purposely removed Noida Toll Bridge, where we feel the fundamentals of the company are not good, but other than that, these are the major stocks. Now, the first company on our list is NLC India Limited, which is available at rupees 99.25 on the National Stock Exchange. The code for it is NLC India. And this company, formerly Navali Lignite Corporation Limited, is engaged in the power business. The company's segments are lignite mining and power generation. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year chart for the stock, it's been nothing of a spectacular rise, and it's mostly been a rise towards the first half of the year, but then a stable sort of price movement. The market cap is 15171.04 crores, which means that the stock is a mid cap one. The EPS is 16.06, which means that the stock is trading at 6.18 PE, which is pretty cheap. The industry PE is 15.22, and the important metric here is the dividend yield percent, which is 7.40, which is pretty high. The book value is 79.80, which means that the stock is currently trading at a price to book ratio of 1.24. The promoter holding here is 89.32, which is also pretty high. Now, the second company on the list is Hindustan Zinc Limited, and the code for this company is HINDZINC. The common minimum price is 312.65. Now, this company is an India-based company engaged in the mining and smelting of zinc, lead, and silver metal in India. The company's segments are mining and smelting of zinc, lead, and silver, and also wind energy. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year chart for the company, it's nothing spectacular. There was a major dip in the middle of the year, but since then it's been recovering. The market cap of the company is 1,32,104.60 crores, which means that the stock is a large cap one. The APS is 23.19, which means that the stock is currently trading at a price to earnings ratio of 13.48. The industry PE here is 15.97. Now, the book value is 72.91, which means that the stock is currently trading at a price to book ratio of 4.29. The important metric here is the dividend yield is currently 9.40, which is very, very high. Now, the third company on the list is JVN Limited, which is trading at rupees 36 currently. The code for the company is SJVN, and this company is primarily engaged in the business of generation and sale of power. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year chart, you would see that the stock has given some appreciation during the year, but it's not been a consistent upward trend mover. The market cap of the company is 14,891.86 crores, which means that the stock is a mid cap one. The EPS is 3.66, which means that the stock is currently trading at a price to earnings ratio of 9.84. The industry PE here is 15.22, which means that the stock is much cheaper compared to the industry standard. The book value is 27.76, whereas the price to book ratio is 1.30. The face value is 10, and the most important metric as far as this video is concerned is the dividend yield, and this is 7.64, which is a pretty high number. The promoter holding here, and the promoter here is the government of India, the promoter holding stands at 89.97. Now, the fourth company on the list is Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, and the code is HINDPETRO. Now, the stock is currently trading at 416.85, and this company is a holding company which is engaged in the business of refining of crude oil and marketing of petroleum products. It operates through two segments, downstream and exploration and production of hydrocarbons. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year chart, you would see that it's been an uptrend performer, and the market cap of the stock is 63,520.55 crores, which means that the stock is a large cap one. The EPS is 33.04, which means that the stock is currently trading at a price to earnings ratio of 12.62, which is a bit more expensive compared to the industry PE. Now, the book value is 120.46, which means that the stock is currently trading at a price to book ratio of 3.46. The dividend yield here is also very high and is at 7.20. The promoter holding here, which is the government's holding, is currently 51.11. The face value is 10. The last company on the list is LEEL Electricals Limited, and this company is currently trading at 305.15 and the code for the company is LEEL. Now LEEL Electricals Limited, formerly Lloyd Electric and Engineering Limited, manufactures evaporators and condenser coils for air conditioners and heat exchangers, radiators. Now if you were to look at the 1-year chart for the company, you would see that it's generally done nothing, but during the middle of the year when the news came out of it selling a part of its company, there was a huge dip. The market cap of the company is 1230.74 crores, which makes the stock a small cap one. The EPS is 18.53, which means that the stock is currently trading at a price to earnings ratio of 16.47. The book value is 228.38, whereas the price to book ratio is 1.34. The metric dividend yield here stands at 7.05, which is also pretty high. The promoter holding here currently stands at 56.22. Now, important point here, Porinju recently bought a stake here. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon with another video.